So with hopping to safety, this is something that was talked about in level 1, but is still relevant in level 2. And this is identifying a spot that is safe, but then also recognizing that sometimes for them, the water gets a little bit too deep, but that's okay because they know what to do. So look at this. The water's a little bit too deep for him. He's going to just hop quickly out of the too deep spot because he recognized it. And then he's going to hop to the safe spot, which he already identified as the stairs for him. Now, the safe zones, which we've talked about, are either the stairs or the wall, and that's going to be different for your pool. So just identify the safe zones with them and then just have them practice hopping when it's chill. It's a nice, relaxed environment. Sometimes kids, they get so excited they forget that it's starting to get too deep, and then they might panic a little bit. And you know what I say? Oh, hop, 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 you got it. Hop, hop, hop. I might help guide them and just say, hop for me, hop. Oh, good job. See, you're fine. And once they get to a spot where the water is no longer at their chin, they feel a lot better. And I'm like, see, you can do it. Just remember, you have to hop to safety, hop to safety. And I repeat it so many times that now these kids, they almost scare their parents because they start going deep and deep and deep, and they just keep practicing. Hop, 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 hop. And it's really great to see that. Like, these kids develop so much confidence that they're fine going in a little bit deeper water because they know how to get to a safe spot for them. So this is hopping.